Aware that certain directives have been given by the government of Rivers State, and we are going to look at those directives and see how we can work out a way of still achieving our targets without any confrontation with anyone, either individuals or officers of government. We are going to ensure, like the governorship candidate of our party has said, we are going to ensure completely issue-based campaign. The things that affect Rivers State, the things that is going to make their life better in the next government, the things that will make us realize that what can be obtained outside of this place can be done here. We are prepared, and if you look at the makeup of our team, you will know that we are really prepared. If you look at the deputy governor that we deliberately chose, she's one of the most eminently qualified individuals in this election. Somebody in the history of Rivers State served 14 ministries as permanent secretary. So as a technocrat, she's well experienced to help the government of Magnus. So we are equipped, we are prepared, we are deliberate in our planning to ensure that if you don't plan deliberately, then you are planned to fail. So everything we are doing, we are going to do to ensure that difference is going to be made this time around. And we want to assure Rivers people that what they have observed in the past, we are going to make conscientious efforts to discourage those things that makes any person in Rivers State uncomfortable. So it's our duty to make everybody comfortable. It's our duty to make everybody believe that Rivers State belongs to them. It's our duty to make everybody living in Rivers State to believe that he can do his business, succeed, and live in peace and well. That is our target, and that's our duty.